And then you have to be able to look at your back foot. And look at the bottom of your back foot behind you.
Yeah.
What is good, everyone? We are at Delaveaga. I got Chan Man, Thomas Gilbert, Chris Clemens somewhere over there.
Hole one now? I forgot about that.
Yeah, this is hole one.
All right.
All right, you ready? We're climbing the hill right out of the gate.
Oh, great.
We are going to play a doubles round. We're gonna flip for teams. We're gonna have some fun. Dela, to me, always brings out the best in disc golf. It can frustrate you to no end, but it can make you happy because, I don't know, there's just something about this place that I truly love, and we're gonna try and show that through the camera. And a lot of stupid things and funny times, and see who wins the doubles. You ready?
Oh yeah.
You ready?
Yep.
Chris, are you ready?
Yeah, I'm left-handed.
All right, let's go. All right, you guys ready to flip?
Yes, sir.
Flip for teams. Grab a disc, Chris. Hey, buy felons. DynamicDisc.com.
By force.
Felon.
Force. Pro Diggy.
Wait.
You can't flip. Pick your
by-
verdict.
by
verdict.
verdict.
By verdict. All right. 3, 2, 1, flip. All right, teams are set.
Here we go.
Me and Thomas versus
yeah,
Chris and Chandler. C and C versus T and E. On the tee, Chandler Fry from somewhere Washington.
You guys like AC?
Somewhere Washington. He's from Spokane.
Parked.
Good shot. That's really good.
Well,
Get up.
good
Sit.
start.
Sit.
Run it. Run it. Oh, Chris is usually his sidearms warmed up by which hole? The 8th hole? So this is hole 1 for him. Let's see how this goes. Smack.
I got you, partner.
That's all right, dude.
That's a really good shot.
We got Thomas Gilbert looking to bomb one up there.
Tommy Dilbert.
He's probably gonna get halfway.
Oh, Thomas.
My God.
Oh no, Thomas.
He's throwing back to Canada, dude.
That's about halfway, right? All right.
Was that a good shot?
You're already carrying him, dude. You're already carrying him. Come on, partner.
Oh yeah. Get up. Get up.
Oh yeah, that's perfect.
Skip up.
Don't roll.
Roll.
Yeah,
All
we're
right.
good. We're in it. Let's go. Oh, Chris, new shoes, Terra Kiger 7s or 8s, I think. So sick. I got the Terra Kigers on as well.
How old do you think these shoes are? How old?
Oh, those Merrills.
How old do you think they
The
are?
ones you just got.
These are a week old.
You got those
they look worn.
They look brutal.
Boom.
Let's go.
Wow.
This might be my least favorite hole.
Dude, it's one of my favorites. It's unique.
Well, I feel like it's
Unique New
kinda-
York. Unique New
kinda
York.
pokey-
Unique New
pokey,
York.
you know?
Unique New York. What?
Kind of a token hope, in my opinion.
Oh, just throw it dead straight at the tree that's in the shade.
That's true.
It's this tree right here. If you throw dead straight at that,
I don't
you're good.
the white man.
Well, if you were watching, you'd see.
Uh-oh.
Fairway hit.
In the middle.
Fresh shave. Looking so clean. Oh man. Chris Clemens.
That's fine.
What's up there?
I'll play mine. The shot I would.
You guys going for it? Green light.
Yeah.
I was kind of going for it, but I meant to get a little bit higher.
Nice ground play,
Really
bud.
far.
Run it.
Oh,
Good layup.
Okay. Good team golf there, guys.
what's that?
Green light.
Oh my gosh! Here, later. Chris, what you doing down there?
Hey, Chris.
Chris!
My feet are shot.
Chris! You okay? Hello? Hello?
Fuse?
We got that.
Nope.
Oh, no, we don't. She
The
gone.
tread on this.
Oh my gosh. We got to answer, Chris. We got to answer.
Like the height. There are 3 discs up there. Well, there's 1. Now there's 2.
Thanks, Chris. All right. See you guys later.
Welcome, partner.
Triple X just chilling. Hello.
Back.
No way the rock got stuck.
Feeling good right now?
What?
We're just getting smushed by these guys.
Basket is up there. You see it? That's right. Let's see if I can get my finger in the frame. Where you at, finger? Hey, there it is. Whoop, 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 whoop. Oop.
It's like get a good whiff of this competition before you. I wasn't.
It's my finger.
I just your musk. I just kissed your arm.
Wow.
Dude,
Oh.
so lucky.
All right, Eric. See if you can keep the streak alive. Dead buckets. Get up there.
Yesterday I hit that tree. Rolled.
All right, finally.
Finally. Here we go.
Contributing. Oh, get flexy, get dirty. Oh,
Died.
stared. Nine.
Stair 9.
Yeah, boy. Let's go.
Oh, I like it. I like it. I like that a lot. Dude, it's something barely hit it.
Here we have an Eric Oakley in his natural habitat on the putting green. The basket's right there. Will he make it? I'm thinking yes.
Let's go, baby!
The guy's too good.
Woo!
We don't have to do the scoring update.
Score update. It's good for the fans. 5-1 CC versus TE. So let's go. Let's go.
Hey Thomas, you're gonna finally contribute on this hole?
Contributing.
Sweet. All right.
Contributing.
Contributing!
Is that in the bucket?
Building phase! Building phase! Hit.
Oh, lucky.
That was a wicked short.
Hey Eric, can you stop contributing?
Eric, stop! Dude, you can't throw that. You lost it.
Bye through that soft tube.
No, it'll trickle right in there. Get in there. See?
Contributing. I didn't love it, but actually it was a really good line. Mango. Left-handed. I made it.
Probably gonna park this too. Gilbert Cam.
Oh, that's gonna flip.
Is it good?
I don't know. I thought it was good. They didn't like it, so
So it's great. It's probably parked.
Probably. Disc is gone.
It's trash.
Trash.
Trash. Trash. Trash.
Not hit anything?
It's trash.
Yeah.
Where's the zoom? Do like that. It's bad.
Oh, I burned it over. Not contributing.
That's gonna be a three.
Is that good?
As I mentioned before, Delaveaga, super special place. In my heart, one of the first places I qualified for USDGC. And the starter pack challenge with Central Coast Disc Golf. I mean, it's just, we've had some really special places. And Santa Cruz is an exceptional place in the country. We get to stay with the Lagesson family. We get to stay with Cedar Morgan. Get AJ's Burritos, Samba Rock. No, it just has this special feel. It's kind of exactly what we're looking for. And it's kind of the reset I needed. And I'm really happy to be here. Happy to share it with you all. So keep this doubles round going. It's looking good for Thomas and I, but getting into the backstretch, getting some more wooded holes. Let's see how we do.
Here's Thomas throwing a X5912 V2.
Oh, baby. Be lucky. That's not lucky.
It's lucky for us.
That's so good, dude. That's so good, dude. You refuse to lose.
We're still losing by a lot.
I know, but it's on their way.
Yeah.
Green light?
Green light, full green light.
Yeah. Momentous comeback.
If I give this ace, it's Thomas's because he told me to throw this.
No, it's all you, baby. That's really good. Anti. We got options.
That's pretty much an ace.
Pretty much.
They finally threw a bad drive, and here they are.
Banger.
Oh my God, he's so good.
Dude.
Monies.
Eric Chains.
James. Dude, I'm judging you so hard right now. So. Oh, I love it. Around it? Yeah.
That's got it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Out of the 3 park jobs, who's down the hill?
Who's down the hill? Comment below who you think down the hill is. Hey, also like, comment, subscribe, right, guys? Yeah. Oh my God, Thomas almost killed Chris. So what's the answer? Who was down the hill? Chandler's down the hill. Is that your slidey boy?
Oh, my slidey boy's over there.
Slidey boy's over there. Chandler, you gonna make that putt? Even though Chris is there, this putt doesn't count. It's just for the fans. It's for the fans.
Oh, I can't see the back.
But do it for the fans.
Bank it off the tree, dude.
Brody Smith! Oh, Brody Smith! Scoober! Oh my God, no! Save it! Yeah! Don't hit anything. Dude, I think you're buckets, dude.
Charlie Buckets.
Charlie Buckets. Yeah, Thomas! Let's go! Balk. Yeah, boy. Nice bird. Bird is a word.
You shouldn't even throw forehands till hole 8.
You shouldn't even throw right now.
I know.